What up, you guys? Today is gonna be a short video, but I got a few things in the mail today, and let's open them up. And oh, that feels good. Well, let's open them up and see what they are. Well, the first thing we're gonna look at is this ethanol tester, content tester. So I do have a 5-gallon jug in the trunk of my car right now because I'm on empty. So I'm gonna go to the gas station, put that 5 gallons in there, and then top it off with 93. But I really wanted to test out the E85 because I'm not sure what's the content in that gas pump. So we're gonna go check that out, test it, and see if it's real 85. Now we're gonna go to the second package and let's go look at that also. Okay, so I have LED lights on my car right now. I like them because they color change from purple, green, pink, yellow, any color of the rainbow, but that's the only good thing about those. At night when I'm driving, I can't see nothing. I can see probably maybe 2 inches in front of me. It sucks. It's horrible at lighting. So we're gonna replace them back with halogens. I'm gonna go back with halogens. I didn't go with the HID kit because I'm gonna have to get them adjusted and all this other crap. I don't know. But pretty much I just went back to OEM halogen lights. And here what I got is some Osram Nightbreaker Unlimited. You have to buy these at eBay because I think only like in the UK or Europe region only got these lights, but they're supposedly like 27% better than usual OEM lights. So let's go put these on and see how much better they really are. And that's pretty much it. Can't really see that well. So now we're gonna put these new just halogen ones and let's see how much brighter they are. Okay, so I just put the halogens back on and way brighter for sure. Let's go outside and check them out. Okay, so we're gonna try this ethanol reader. I have right here the flask. It's gonna say like where to have water, like at a certain level. Then we'll put E85. We'll top it off all the way to the top, and then shake it, and then it should tell me how much octane really is in this gas. Okay, so I got the 5-gallon E85, and there you go. Got everything on there. And let's see what's up. Okay, so I did test it, and great news, it's even beyond E85, it's E90, pretty much. So it focuses, I don't know if you can see it, but right here is the gas line, and then up there is the water line. So it's like E85 half, and it's like under E90. It's like maybe even a little slightly above E90. So 85 to E90, that's fucking perfect. I thought I was gonna get like E70 or something like that, you know what I'm saying, E75, but this is a little above 85, so that's awesome. So yeah, man, we tested the gas is on top level, and I did get another revision, my second revision on the E85 from Justin. I'm gonna install that and show you guys some pulls, and yeah, stay tuned for that on the next video. I'll see you guys till next time. Peace.